Ulefone is well known for its rugged smartphones. The company released all sorts of rugged devices in the past, and the latest one won't break the bank. The device in question is the Ulefone Armor X10 Pro. Ulefone Armor X10 Pro with IP68 and IP69K water resistance ruggedity is currently available for a pocket-friendly price. However, 100 pieces of this rugged smartphone will be sold for lower price tags on Banggood. A couple of weeks ago I already talked about the Armor X10 model, only without ending Pro. What is the difference between the two versions of smartphones? Let's find out. To achieve a total ruggedity build, the Ulefone company adopted an improved sealing body structure in order to guide the Armor X10 Pro from damages due to mishandling in rough environments. Gradually looking into the hardware aspect of the Ulefone Armor X10 Pro, the device is powered by a quad-core Helio A22 processor paired with IMG GE8300 GPU. To back the onboard processor is 4 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal storage space, which can be further expanded via the insertion of a microSD card. As for the display, the device is equipped with a Captivate IPS 5.45-inch HD Plus display with 720 by 1440 pixel resolution, 18 by 9 aspect ratio, 16.7 color depth, 60 Hz screen refresh rate, and 298 ppi density. Until now, there was no difference between the Ulefone Armor X10 and Ulefone Armor X10 Pro smartphones. The main difference between these devices is the main camera sensor. On the camera department, Ulefone Armor X10 Pro can boast of dual rear camera setup that houses a 20-megapixel Samsung camera being assisted by a macro shooter for better images. Let me remind you that the base version will receive a camera with 13-megapixel resolution. Also, the rear camera has other special features which includes the normal mode, night mode, pro mode, UHD, portrait, GIF, beauty, panorama mode, slow motion, time-lapse, intelligent scanning with 1080p video recording resolution. On the front, there is a decent front-facing 5-megapixel camera for selfies. The Ulefone Armor X10 Pro is coupled with a large 5180 mAh built-in Li polymer battery that is scheduled to last users for a considerable long period of usage time. Beneath the device is a USB Type-C charge interface. At the back of the Ulefone Armor X10 Pro, there are 2 super linear speakers which were attached to this device to deliver cinema-grade sound quality. The device weighs just 256 grams, with dimensions of 158 by 76.7 by 14.6 millimeters. The company offers you to join the Creator Awards program to win various awards. On top of that, Ulefone has announced the pre-sales activities on Banggood for the Ulefone Armor X10 Pro are live. You can get this phone for just $129 now. Thanks for watching this video to the end. Subscribe to my channel and post a small comment under the video. See you soon.